Removing a green screen R in Canva is simple using the Background Remover tool, which helps you replace the green background with any image, video, or design element. First, log into canva.com and create a new design. Click on Chasidas Uploads. To add your green screen or image or video, then drag it onto the canvas. Next, select the uploaded media. Click on Hazi or Edit Image, Yas for images, or Tazias, Edit Video, Karik for videos, and choose Hasit. Background Remover. Canva will automatically remove the green screen in a few seconds. If needed, use the I Erase tab and to Restore tools to fine-tune the edges for a cleaner result. After that, you can replace the background by adding an image or video from the elements Cormi uploads, resizing it to fit your design. Once you're satisfied, click the Share, then Download, and select PNG for images or MP4 for videos to save your final design. Keep in mind that Background Remover is a Canva Pro feature, so free users might need third-party tools like remove.bg for images. Try this method today and create professional green screen-free designs in Canva.